692, Bombs for Josh, part 42. We're editing the ARTGIRL system. Let's go down here. In ARTGIRL shader macros, we've added a constant of U32 cast of 28. So U28 is just U32 28. Shader source fragment number 8, the Bombs for Josh shader. Inside Let the Motherfucker Burn, we have figured out how to make the explosions show up and then go away. So inside What is my fire tile, if we've discovered that we have a non-zero FATA tile, aka flames and damage tile, then we're going to bit pack it into a 32-bit binary tile payload. And then we're going to create this mask right here, which is going to be used to extract the timestamp from the tile. This is the ticker inside the FATA tile. This is the delta when we compare it against the internal game ticker timer. And then this is the V16 value of the FATA, right? So the 4 bits all the way to the left in the red channel are encoding the V16 tile type of the FATA. Eventually, we're going to use this in a lookup table, but not right now. Right now, we're just going to hard code the frames of visible. How many frames is this explosion visible for? Tick FATA, right? So we're going to extract the ticker by taking the binary tile payload and masking it with this 28 bits in a row that are justified all the way to the right in the least significant bit position. And then we'll calculate our delta right here, our delta against the game ticker, to figure out how old the explosion is. If the explosion doesn't exist yet, then we are going to skip it because it doesn't exist yet. We have nothing to render. We also need to clear out this binary data. And then if the explosion is already over, right, we're done with all the frames of the explosion, then we're also going to zero out this binary FATA value, and we're going to continue. And we're going to try to find another FATA tile behind the current FATA tile that is currently visible, and we're going to try to render that. And that's all we did in this video. This is just me looking around what we did previously, and then footnotes and whatnot. And like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a technical demo and you want to see kind of what that looks like, you can actually go here or here this time. You're on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Source code is right here, and ways to get a hold of me are down here. So my name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.